and welcome to a walkthrough tutorial on how to use Ezoic's Article-to-Video Creator, a must-have tool to turn articles into amazing videos in less than a minute. You'll start from your dashboard, click into Trailblazer, and join Article-to-Video Creator. After enabling, click Access to be taken to the Create Your Own Video page. Start creating a video, click New Video, which will prompt you with 3 ways to start making your video. Use a published article, copy and paste the URL from an article on your site, including the HTTP. This function will not work if using a URL from a different website other than your own for copyright protection. Click Go and a video will be created with the article's content pre-filled in the narration panel and associated text slides are created. Note, if the article is very long, you will see a summarization screen where we encourage you to shorten the article to keep the video at approximately 5 minutes. Use a script will give you a dialog box to copy and paste existing text into, or you can start from scratch, build new content by adding narration, typing slide text, and choosing media. Each creation method, you will have advanced setting options to adjust. Default delay determines how long to wait before going to the next slide. Short slide delay adds an additional delay after shorter slides. Short slides are often used to separate your video into sections, like headers. And maximum sentence per slide determines how content is grouped. More sentences per slide would result in longer but fewer slides. This demonstration, we are going to show how to use a script. Copy and paste your text here and click Create Video. Click into the title box at the top of the page to rename your video. On the left, you'll see 4 icons. The gear icon adjusts general video settings to include selecting the narrator's voice, adding soundtrack audio, or changing the theme, which determines the background, font, transitions, and animations. The photo video icon is your media library, which is a place to find images, videos, or both related to the keyword you've searched for or the content from your article. The microphone icon opens the narration editor, where you can easily edit the text that will be spoken by your selected narrator over the video slides. The 3 lines icon opens bulk edit, where you can select individual slides you want to delete. If you want to mass delete, use the select current scene, which will select all of your slides, plus the narration in that scene to permanently remove. Or should you need to remove your selections, click Deselect All. If you have a longer video, you will see a Go to Scene navigation bar at the top of the slide preview section. We organize longer videos into scenes to make it easier to edit. Each scene has its own settings, including theme. You'll be prompted when making changes if you want to apply to all scenes, meaning the entire project, or just the current scene. You can quickly navigate between scenes by clicking the 1, 2 buttons across the top, or using the previous scene button to go back. Next to every slide, you'll also have the following options: Merge with Previous or Merge with Next, which combines the narration into one slide, above or below, respectively. The associated slide text will display whichever you merge into. Move up or move down reorders the slides and associated narration. Toggle full screen removes the background to only show the slide's content. Click it again to return to having a background behind the slide. Upload media. Select your own image or video to add to the selected slide. Recommend media. Using your narration text, our AI looks to find the best matching media content. If there is relatable content, you can click through the replacement suggestions first before making a decision to either keep original or replace. If you change your mind, click the same button that now says Remove Media to restore to the original. Delete. You have a few options here. From the slide, it will delete both the slide and its associated narration from the video project. From the narration panel, or in the rare case you want to delete all slides, narration, and other assets in that scene, you'll find a Delete All at the top of the narration panel. If you have multiple scenes, you would need to repeat this deletion process for each scene. The narration text can be different than what is written on the slides. This gives you the opportunity to keep the slide text readable and let the narrator explain in longer detail. If you have slides with multiple sentences, you can rearrange the order of those sentences by using the up and down arrows associated with that line of text. When you've made all the desired edits and updates, head to the top right corner to click the preview button and watch your video. From here, you can continue to edit or click I'm done, render my video to make it ready to use. Note this is just a rough rendering preview of your video and will lack many transitions, animations, and other visual effects. Once you've rendered your video, you'll see that video and all other created videos in your video table. Each video will have a thumbnail that displays the video's title, duration, status, either draft, rendered, or error, creation date, a pencil icon to edit, an X to delete the video, and only rendered videos will have an image and a play button. You can make edits on rendered videos at any time, and while in preview, you can choose to upload that video directly to Humix's video network or directly from the table. Reminder, this article to video creator is still in development and may lack necessary features. Please use the submit feedback link from the Trailblazer page to help us improve the usability and functionality. Updates will be pushed out periodically. With that in mind, we hope you have fun experimenting with turning your written content into educational videos.